You might be surprised to discover what happens when you place a little bit of Vicks VapoRub on a candle. The first time I tried it, I was honestly amazed, and since then, it has completely changed the way I go about my daily routine. I no longer waste money on pricey products that promise miracles, but rarely deliver. Everyone knows Vicks as a simple balm for coughs and congestion, but today I'll show you an entirely different and unexpected use for it. Stay with me until the end, because the result is something you'll definitely want to see for yourself. The process is simple and actually quite relaxing. Begin by taking 3 regular candles and placing them in a saucepan over low heat. Let them melt slowly and evenly. While the candles are melting, tell me in the comments which city you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing how many places we can connect with through these home tips. Once the wax is fully melted, carefully remove the wicks and set them aside. Don't throw them away because we'll need them again very soon. Now for the exciting part, the secret ingredient, Vicks VapoRub. This small jar has been used for generations to ease breathing and cold symptoms, but it has a surprising second purpose. Add 1 tablespoon of Vicks into the melted wax and stir gently until the texture becomes smooth and uniform. The scent at this point is already powerful and refreshing, but the final result will exceed your expectations. If you're planning to try this experiment yourself, type yes in the comments below. When everything is well mixed, switch off the heat and prepare 2 small glass jars. Make sure to use glass instead of plastic because the mixture is still warm and could melt weaker materials. Pour the melted blend evenly into the 2 jars. Now we'll add a creative twist. Into the first jar, sprinkle a few cloves. Add as much as you like, depending on how strong you want the aroma to be. In the second jar, break some cinnamon sticks into smaller pieces and drop them in. The combination of Vicks and cinnamon creates a truly unique fragrance with soothing qualities. Now take the wicks you saved earlier. Attach each one to a clothespin and position them carefully in the center of each jar. This will ensure that your candle burns evenly. Leave the jars aside until the wax hardens completely. It won't take long, but it's worth waiting to see the result. Have you ever made something similar at home? Share your version in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Once the candles have cooled and solidified, remove the clothespins and trim the wicks to the proper length. Light one of the candles and watch the magic happen. The scent that fills the air is calming, refreshing, and pleasantly strong. Beyond the aroma, these candles offer wonderful benefits. They can help clear the airways, relax the body, and create a peaceful atmosphere that promotes better sleep. Lighting one before bedtime is especially effective for easing breathing and improving rest. There's also a bonus advantage. Thanks to the cloves, these candles naturally repel mosquitoes and small insects. The cloves release subtle aromatic oils that act as a natural deterrent, while the cinnamon adds warmth and comfort to your space. It's an easy and affordable solution if you live in an area where insects are a problem. Try making these candles at home and see how well they work for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family so they can enjoy the same results. See you again soon with more creative and practical ideas.